Hello, hello mga guys. Welcome to my vlog, Lan Marie Musra. Have a nice day, everyone. Merienda kita, guys. Snack time. Banana, cucumber, orange, and apple. Amo dyan ako nga merienda, guys. With fresh yogurt milk strawberry flavor. Countan nyo, guys. Amo dyan ako nga snack. Please like and follow me. Share also. Thank you for watching. Love you all mga guys. Follow to my Instagram and my YouTube channel. Have a nice day everyone. Countan nyo, guys. Amo ko nga snack. Very healthy. Puro prutas. Mukbang snack. Very healthy food. With vitamins. Love you all mga guys. It's foggy morning here in Amman, Jordan. Very, very cold mga guys. Mas snack tanay guys, mamarinda. Para nga may resistensya kaya sa pagubra. Very shiny ang akong apple. Hagpok. Very yummy guys. OFW life per me busy. Always busy, more work. Mainom tanay kang fresh yogurt milk. Umiyan ako guys kang strawberry nga flavor. Hindi rin guys, pag kiyad-kiyad guys, hindi rin pag slice-slice naman sana. Kundi diretso na lang ang kaon. Very crunchy apple. Juicy. So yummy mga guys. Kahagpok niya. Love you all mga guys. Thank you for watching with Marie Musra OFW Jordan with love. May saging ba ako? Very healthy snack mga guys. Ganami ang imo kadyang skin, naga-glowing skin guys. Nga beautiful kung kakang frutas. Nga healthy foods. Love you all. Lan Marie Musra.